Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to give location access to your Facebook profile, which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then simply come to your menu section by tapping at these two lines in the top right corner and tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy section, just simply scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permission, which you will get in your activity options. Just simply tap at device permissions, and here you can see the location option on the fourth number. Just simply here you can see it says never. So for to give location access, tap at see information, tap at update settings, and tap at open device settings. It will redirect you to your mobile phone settings. Here you can see that. Just simply tap at permissions on the second number. Here you can find location in not allowed section on the right top. At first, in allowed section it shows that which like about which thing you have give permission to your Facebook profile, and it not allowed section it shows that about which thing you have not allowed to your Facebook app. So for give location access to your Facebook app, just simply tap at location and tap at like allow only while using the app. Just simply tap on it. So once you tap on it, you have allowed the give the location access to your Facebook profile. So that's how you can easily give location access to your Facebook profile. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any questions, leave in comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And goodbye till the next video, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video on the